कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कहता है। और आजकल बीजेपी के लोग, आरएसएस के लोग इस संविधान को खत्म करने में लगे हुए हैं। नफरत फैलाते हैं, एक भाई को दूसरे भाई से लड़ाते हैं, डराते हैं। कन्याकुमारी से लेकर कश्मीर तक 4000 किलोमीटर हम इस संविधान को बचाने के लिए चले थे।
हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम। यू आर वाचिंग स्वागत स्मृति से श्री अरुण डोमाजी वर्गर and I am Rahul Vargar. Today's topic of discussion: Northeastern Delhi and gathering of Rahul Gandhi and INC, Indian National Congress. Rahul Gandhi says, because this topic beginning may have before and commencing to the what these situations. The situation is can do not Rio 2020. What can Rio can make? Rahul Gandhi says in northeastern Delhi. Now, Bangladesh former Awami League leaders Ishfaq Ali Khan Panna can found in Meghalaya in the border of India and Bangladesh. Rahul Gandhi says, who is our direction towards? How can our neighboring countries in relation can peace and security? Rahul Gandhi finally says, in our view, जय बापू, जय भीम।
कांग्रेस पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं, आप सबका यहाँ बहुत बहुत स्वागत, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप लोग? मूड अच्छा है आपका? देश में विचारधारा की लड़ाई चल रही है। एक तरफ वो लोग खड़े हैं जो चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, इस संविधान की रक्षा करेंगे। संविधान में साफ लिखा है, पहले पेज पे लिखा है कि हिंदुस्तान हर हिंदुस्तानी का है, चाहे उसकी कोई भी जात हो, कोई भी धर्म हो। अगर वो हिंदुस्तानी है तो इस देश में उसकी रक्षा होनी चाहिए, उसको प्रोटेक्शन मिलनी चाहिए।
यह संविधान is the declaration of his gatherings. Can who is INC, Indian National Congress, Gandhis and Rahul Gandhi and its representation and constituents representation several different parts. What can achievement of to do this in the nation? Yes, this is the Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Sanvidhan is the right wing of direction to the nation is the implementation and development and techniques of the humanity in human, techniques of humanity in environment, techniques in humanity to heart, techniques in humanity to our natural resources. Several election can conduct where several different state, different years, different time period and any other way. Rahul Gandhi says, can in country can do not corruption and pollution. Corrupt can do it. Its mean several mass gathering of monies can hijack some persons, and this is that its mean corruption. And why can do not emergency of declaration Article 360? If may have previously said that if in India's can this financial fund limited person and D is the declaration of financial emergency. May I can do not think better understand and why can do it better understand. May have given on the people of India. Rahul Gandhi says, and do not the tragedy of the each on them. Can do it. नफरत की दुकान बंद हो चुकी है, मोहब्बत की दुकान खुल चुकी है. What can do it is the poet of Rahul Gandhi.
रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष बहुत ही जुझारू आदरणीय देवेंद्र यादव जी से कि आए और आप सब लोगों को संबोधित करें.
धन्यवाद राजेश भाई. और भैया एक बार जोरदार नारा, कांग्रेस पार्टी, दोनों हाथ ऊपर उठा के, कांग्रेस पार्टी, श्री राहुल गांधी, श्री राहुल गांधी. आप सभी
Can designated of Karnataka elections. Rahul Gandhi struggle and struggle. This is the welcome. Rahul Gandhi is more educated, more responsible and more duties. My view and personally think I can do not the favor of Rahul Gandhi. My views can do it. The first is nations and state. Because nation is survive. My duties can do not oppose the any other party and can do not the INC Indian National Congress and can do not the Rahul Gandhi. My views is the perfection of nation can stand do it the pillar size. Can do not the any other natural resources, destabilizations, can any other some and more situation arising accidentally can do not the effect of this pillar of the nations. This is the three word can do it yesterday can spoken about INCs that can its mean can do not the Rahul Gandhi that its mean INC that its mean all the Congress representations and people. The major three word can do is choice or direction to nation can do it Bapu, Jai Bhims, Jai Sanvidan. Make and to work to do can make through the Prayagraj Mahakumbh Mela 2025. Who is the make or countries can better way? Mahakumbh Mela can do it. Your child can do it, Sadhu. Very good well. May I salute to you. You can do it, your sons, your child, and Indian childhood, the age related below the of 15 to 10, and what effect this situations can make India's better way can do. Why stabilizations and commencement in this constitution? Article 51, Article 51A is subclause C. Why can do it? Sovereign, unity, integrity, protection, international peace and security. May can do it. You to learning ki how can do provided in the Constitution of India. Just below 10 seconds. May I say with you, look at that. What can article may say? Article 51. Okay. Article 51. Promote of international peace and security. The state shall endeavor to. The state shall endeavor. Subclause A. Promote international peace and security. Clause A. Clause B. Sovereignty, dignity and integrity of nations. Between the nation. Okay. Maintain just. Maintain can do it just. All about us. Who is the poor, who is the non-poor? The right to just. All of them. And honorable relations.
राहुल गांधी जी मंच पर आ चुके हैं। आप सब लोगों को इंतजार था। हमारे महबूब नेता, युवा दिलों की धड़कन राहुल गांधी जी, एक बार मेरे साथ नारा लगाएंगे, राहुल गांधी। हाथ उठा के बोलना है, राहुल गांधी, जय भीम। इकट्ठे होके बोलना है, जय भीम, जय संविधान। मैं
Who can do it relations of the international peace between nations? Between nations. Bangladesh, India, some crisis can do it is the intergovernment of Bangladesh. Can Awami League's leader can found body in Meghalaya near Bangladesh India borders. India Pakistan relations, India China relations. Who can creativity, betterable, honorable, or relation, all of the nations. Foster respect for international law and treaty obligation in the dealings of organs people with one another. And can do it. Encourage settlement of international dispute. China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. This is the sometimes can destabilize, can slow, differentiated for nation, but this is the encourage of arbitrations of the settlement in disputes. Arbitration. And Article 51 AC to uphold and protect the sovereignty integrity of India. May I think so. INC speech can long way to direction or nations, because India is included in the Constitution of India. People that can do it include in the Constitution of India. All wildlife can do it include in the Constitution of India. All animals and rupture and sea and waters forgettable, this situation can include in the Constitution of India. Education can do it Constitution of India, and Constitution of India can is the only for thought Bapu and Jai Bhim. Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim. If you can do it my channel, so interested, may I request can do it, please join and like our channel share, subscribe and likes.